Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so connection is fast and reliable. First, update your iPhone X to the latest iOS because AirPlay improvements matter. Once done, connect both the phone and the smart TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Choose 2, 4 or 5 GHz depending on range and speed. Make sure your TV's AirPlay or screen mirroring option is enabled and visible. This lets the iPhone discover the display. Now move to your iPhone to initiate the cast. On your iPhone X, swipe down to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon. This action scans the local network for compatible displays. Select your TV's name from the list. If the TV displays a code, type it into the iPhone to pair securely. For media apps like Photos or YouTube, using the app's built-in AirPlay button often gives smoother playback and correct aspect ratio. Once connected, you'll see your iPhone screen or video appear on the TV. Finally, refine the experience. Set the TV to the correct input, adjust volume and rotate your iPhone for landscape video. This ensures proper framing and sound. If you experience lag, stuttering, or dropped connections, restart the router, the iPhone, and the TV. Also try switching between 5 GHz and 2, 4 GHz networks to find better stability. If wireless mirroring still fails, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for a direct, reliable connection. This avoids Wi-Fi issues and guarantees full resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.